Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Canva Whiteboard, one of my favorite visual tools lately. I've been using it non-stop for lesson planning, and honestly, it's made organizing my ideas so much easier. So if you're a teacher looking to simplify your workflow or just want a clean way to brainstorm and map things out, this video is definitely for you. Let's jump straight in. First, open up your browser and head over to Canva. If you already have an account, great, log in. If not, it takes less than a minute to sign up. Once you're on the home page, look in the top right corner for the Create button and click it. This opens up all the formats you can design. For today, choose Whiteboards. It's basically a giant digital canvas where you can map out anything: lessons, field trips, projects, mind maps, whatever you need. Once you're inside the whiteboard section, you'll see tons of templates. For this tutorial, search for Brainstorm templates. You can scroll or type it into the search bar, both work fine. Brainstorm templates are amazing because they help break big ideas into small, organized pieces. Let's say you're planning an English-speaking course. You can lay out lesson themes, vocabulary, activities, assessments, everything in a clean visual layout. Just click the Brainstorm template you like and start customizing. Click any text box to replace it with your own ideas. Maybe your main topic is class trip to the museum or English conversation club. Then branch out into details like meeting times, student groups, prep activities, or reminders about what to bring. Want to move things around? Just drag and drop. Want to color code different sections? Change colors, fonts, shapes, anything you want. You can even add images or stickers if you want to make it more engaging for your class. This is where you can really get creative. And the best part is that you can update your whiteboard anytime. So if inspiration hits later, just hop back in and make changes. No pressure to make it perfect the first time. When you're happy with your whiteboard, you can share it with colleagues, present it to your class, or even invite students to brainstorm with you. It's super collaborative and really fun to use. And that's your full walkthrough of Canva Whiteboard. It's simple, flexible, and honestly one of the best tools I've used for planning lessons. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And if you have questions or want a tutorial on another Canva tool, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative teaching tips. Happy planning, and I'll see you in the next one.